This is the phone case everyone is going crazy for on TikTok. It features a built-in magnet with a strong 12N magnetic force, providing a very secure hold whether in the gym or in the car. Its foldable stand supports adjustable angles, making it convenient for watching videos or when your hands are full. It supports all MagSafe accessories, so you can attach your wallet or other items. Made from high-quality materials, its sturdy metal ring makes it more durable, and it doesn't show fingerprints or yellow over time. We've also got a $40 discount available in the link below. Check it out.